I'm doing something a little bit different this time in finishing. This is the Seymour bedside table, and this is the front part. The tambour is in this area here, and the drawer over here. Now, I've been doing a French polish with shellac on this piece for a couple weeks now, and we haven't had that great of weather. It's finally some sun today, and I'm in the final rub out stage. So what I've got here is some Rottenstone. This is a little can of Rottenstone, and I've got a brush here, and I am just scooting it lightly with the grain. It scratches the wood or the finish a little bit, the shellac. The last shellac that I applied yesterday was some blonde shellac, and before that I was using, during the French polishing stage, I was using black shellac, which is quite a bit darker, and so this is I did enough French polishing that I filled the grain with the shellac. So I didn't use filler. I just did enough shellac to close up the grain here. So I've got a pretty nice flat surface. So after I do this, I vacuum off the Rottenstone, and then I'll wait a week or two before I apply any wax. I usually use Renaissance wax to do a final on a piece like this. So this is all mahogany, and the sides had that peculiar joinery, V-joint, which slides down. I only glued these sides about this far from in the top area to hold this section in place. But down here it's floating, so as the weather changes, this should be able to accommodate that expansion and contraction without cracking in here. The original piece had huge cracks across these side pieces. So this is a final step in getting this piece. I've been working on it for a couple months or so. It's been a fun piece with a lot of different details.